Hello friends, here we are talking about business management. What is business management? Basically, when we are talking about business management, this is a very important concept in day-to-day life in every business organization. This is divided into two parts, business as management. So first of all, we are discussing about what is business and what is the importance of business toward the society. So basically business is buying and selling of the goods for the profit maximization. Means business is a continuous production and distribution of goods and services with the aim of earning profit under uncertain market condition. So what is goods and services? Goods which we can see, which is tangible, which we can feel. Whenever we are buying any goods that we can feel, and in return we are giving the money to the seller. The services are the intangible thing which is realized only through his result. Like doctors are providing their services to his patients, advocates his client, teachers are teaching their students. So with result only we are realizing the services are fulfilled or not. So business means a buying or selling of the goods and services with a profit making process. Next, why this business is important? The business is very important because the Indian economy or the country's economy is based totally on the business activities. If the business activities are fruitful, that will improve the economy of the country. So here we are discussing about the different objective of the business. It is generally believed that business has a single objective, that is to be profit making, but it is not like that. While pursuing the business, earning profit, business units do keep the interest of their own in view of interest of its employees, customer, community, as well as interest of the society as a whole. That's why these business objectives are divided into four parts. The first we are discussing economic objectives. Economic objectives is referred to the objectives of earning profit and profit maximization. Other objectives that are necessary to be pursued to achieve the profit objective, which include regular innovation and best possible use of available resources, because we know that resources are very limited. That's why we have to take care that whatever productivity we are doing or product we are selling, that should be useful for the society as well as creation of the customer. Then another objective is social objective. Man is a social animal, and the business organization or employee and employer or customer all are the part of the society. So we have to take care of that. What is beneficial for the society, that process we have to involve in business operations. Business operation in a society by utilizing its scarce resources. The society expects something in return to its welfare. No activity of business should be aimed at giving any kind of trouble to the society. If the business activity is harmful for the society, it bound to be restricted against the business sooner or later. Social objective of business include production and supply of quality of goods and services, adoption of fair trade practices and contribution to general welfare of society, and provision of welfare amenities is important for the social benefit. That's why whatever activity we are doing in the business process, that should be fruitful for the society. Another objective is human objective. Human objectives refer to the objectives aims to the well-being and fulfilling of the expectation of the employees, because employees working in your organization with a purpose. So it is important for any employer to take care of their personal goal also. Human objective of business may include economic well-being of the employees, social and welfare activity of the employees, as well as psychological satisfaction of the employee and their development. It is very important. If the employee is not happy, if the human factor is not happy in the organization, they will not give their productivity, and that will definitely impact on the economic objective of the business. Another most important objective of any business is national objective. Being an important part of the country, every business must have the objective of fulfilling the national goal and objectives. Aspirations. The goal of the country may be provided employment opportunity to its citizens, earn revenue for its people, become self-sufficient in production and goods and services, promote social justice. These are the certain objectives on front of national. So every business have to take care that how they are beneficial for their nation to nation building. Then we are discussing about social responsibility of a business. The social responsibility of business is divided into four parts: to social responsibility towards general public, to customer, to their investor and financial community, and the employees.